My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. That's an extra large too! Oh my god, dude, I got like 3 of them! Dude, I got it! Oh shoot, that's sick. We got a box that came in the mail. These are the ray guns in size 9.5. Oh shoot, what the heck? These are actually nice. SB dunks always look way better in hand than in the pictures. No wonder why these are so hyped. These colors are absolutely sick. It looks like the patterns are different on the leather over here. So I'm assuming this is one of those things where every single shoe is unique, being that they will all have different patterns. About a few weeks ago, I made a deal with CJ and he was going to buy my Supreme jacket for $710. At the time, this was a fair price, and a few days after that, the prices absolutely skyrocketed. They shot up like so much. Being that I've already made the deal with him, usually I just stick to the deal because I know CJ is the same way. But luckily for me, he allowed an increase in price, so instead I sold him the jacket for $800 instead of $710. But I could have gotten way more easily just by selling it on StockX. On top of that, I sold another Supreme hat to him for $110. So here is my total profit from that transaction. The other 2 jackets I'm gonna hold on to. Kith is going to be dropping some t-shirts. They have a collaboration with the Godfather, and these pieces are super fire. However, the sweatshirt and the hoodie is super expensive, so I'm not going to be going for those. I haven't really been playing around with my bots all that often, being that January in general has been dead. And there are a few things that Shopify changed up as far as anti-botting is concerned, so bots are still trying to figure out how to go about it. I do believe that they do have some solutions, however, as of right now, it hasn't been thoroughly tested. So today we'll see how they perform and we'll see if I get anything.
I'm getting filled 410.
Payment declines.
My task picked up, but it says size not found.
I'm getting a 410 here.
Yeah, it's sold out.
All the sizes are sold out?
The T's all sizes sold out.
Damn, I used the wrong bot.
Restock.
Kickstation had no success. Maybe like 3, but that sucks. I managed to sell a Yeezy 500 on GOAT, and I also managed to sell a couple of Yeezys on Flight Club, the Yeezys that I dropped off a couple of weeks ago. And today I'm going to be going over to Stadium Goods to drop off some more stuff. I'm slowly trying to let go of all of my Yeezys, being that they're dropping just way too many Yeezys that look the same. A little bit after that is going to be the CLOT drop. Not 100% sure about that, being that I absolutely suck at CLOT releases. I haven't gotten a single CLOT shoe yet, but I will be trying my best for this one. Yeezy Reflectives are going to be dropping real soon. I've been taking L's all month, so hopefully I can get one of these.
Kith is sold out.
Yeah, Kith restocks.
Fast splash. Quick to export, okay. Preparing export. Oh, am I about to get this? Oh my god, it's in my cart. Go to checkout. Okay, with PayPal. Log in. Oh my god, security checks because I'm on a freaking proxy. Come on. Logging you in. Continue. Dude, come on, bro. Why is it taking so long? It's killing me. Dude. How many steps do I have to take before checking out? Place order. Am I in a payment loop? Payment was refused. Come on, how do you do that? Wait, what? I got it. Yo, Adidas is playing with me, man. It says payment refused, and then boom, I got it, dude. Kodai just goated. Alright, we were able to get a reflective using Kodai on Adidas. I'm quite surprised that I was able to cop, to be honest. I was checking it out really slow, but at the end, we got one, size 8.5. Anyways, tomorrow is the non-reflective release. I'm not sure how many I'm going to go for, but I'm definitely going to try to go for a few of them at least. So we'll see how I do on those on the next episode.